Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. This video contains a very beautiful collection of different design ideas of handwork, hand embroidery, needlework or thread work. Guys, before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the new and latest updates of my channel. Guys, I have been requesting you to leave comments below my videos, but you are not listening to me. It's a humble request that please do leave comments below my videos. Share your opinions, share your ideas, share your interests, that which type of design or which type of hand embroidery stitches or stylized patterns of hand embroidery do you like the most, which type of style patterns you want me to share with you in my new upcoming videos, and how we can improve, and do keep supporting us. So now let's move back towards our video content. The beauty of today's video is that you are going to get different type of stylized ideas of front neck kurti designs and back neck kurti designs also. So this video is unique in this way that you can design your dresses with front neck, and as well as making them more creative and heavy look, you can also make designs of hand embroidery onto the back neck also. So the color combinations and the unique blend of the threads being used makes this video more noticeable. And do try the patterns, some bright colors that would give and elaborate your summer wardrobe more beautifully, and some lilac or purplish shades would give you more elegance. Aqua, bluish,